Hey guys, this is Shubhamdeep. Today I will explain how to use the function in the loop statement. So I have been told you how to use the function in the decision statement, and there is a little difference between decision and loop statement. Okay, so decision statement actually execute the block when the condition is true, and it check the condition only once, and the loop statements are execute the block various times and check the condition various times. Okay, so I will tell you with the example. Okay, so let's start here. Wait, please. These are the loop that I will explain. That I will explain with the function. Okay, so first I am going to start from the for loop. Okay, so here you can see that I have a program. In this program, I will print the value of a from 1 to 9. Okay, here I am declaring the uh, declaring digit function. Okay, and it's a global declaration, and under the main I'm using integer variable a, and here is the for statement. Okay, if you can see that I have declare a is equal to 1. Okay, here actually, okay, you can also declare here, but actually I'm not declaring because I'm already define a here. Okay, uh, so if you can see whenever the controller will come on this point, it will check that I have a digit function. So but it first it will execute this function, then it will execute further. Okay, so whenever controller will come on this point, it will transfer from here to here, and here this block will execute first, and that then it will check out that if a is equal to 10, if a is equal to 10 means if the value of a is 10, then it will stop execution of programs. Okay, else it will return the value of a, and at each time the value of a will be incremented by 1. Okay, at first time it will print 1, at second time it will print 2, at third time it will print 3, and similarly till 9. Okay, so let's run this program. You can see that the value are 1 2 3 4 5 6 till 9, and here actually you can put down a, but actually I'm not. And you can also use multiple statement here, like suppose I any plus plus, or I is equal to something, and like this, and I is any variable. Okay, and you can use the I here, and you can perform lot of operation according to your requirement, and then you have to make the block, because I'm using only one statement, so that's why I'm not using the block. Okay, so this is the concept of using the function in the for loop. Okay, so now I will tell you how to use the function in the while loop. So here you can see that the digit function is actually presented in while statement. Okay, so this is the condition field. Here I'm using a digit function. If the value of a does not equal to 0, then this statement will be printed out, otherwise it will stop execution. Okay, this is the concept of while loop. If the condition is true, then it will execute the block, else it will stop execution. Okay, so here you can see that whenever controller will come on this point, it will see that I have a function digit a, then the controller will transfer from here to here, and will execute this block, and here it will print this statement, enter any value, and then I will provide any value, and that value will be stored at the address of a, and then it will return to the while loop. Okay, here while statement. So let's run this program. Here you can see that enter any value. Okay, suppose I entered 5, so you can see that you entered non-zero value. The statement again I am putting 3. Okay, you can see that you entered non-zero value, and now I'm going to provide 0. Okay, so you can see that the execution of program have been stopped. Okay, because this condition became false. Okay, so this is the statement that was printed, and I hope you get the meaning what's happening here. Okay, so this is the concept of using the function in while loop, and you can use multiple variables. You can print it out the multiple statement here according to you. Then you can also make the factorial of a. Okay, so this is the concept of using the function in the while loop. And now it's now actually I will tell you what is the difference between while and do while loop. So I already have been told you, again I'm telling you, actually do while loop is execute the statement at least once. Okay, it doesn't matter the condition is true or false. Okay, and the while loop is only execute the block whenever the condition is true. Okay, so this is the difference. So you will see this difference by this example. Okay, so first I will run this program, then I will tell you. Here you can see you enter non-zero value, and still I'm not provided any kind of value to the PC. Till then it is producing a statement which is you enter non-zero value. Okay, because of it already have been execute this statement, and then it will check the condition. That's mean first it will print this statement, then it will check the condition. If the condition is true, then again it will it will print this statement, otherwise it will stop execution. Okay, so suppose I provided 5. You can see you enter non-zero value, and now 0. You can see that execution of program have been stopped. Okay, so this is the concept of using the function in the do while loop. Okay, whenever the controller will come on this point, it under the main function, then it will check out that I have a digit function, and then it will start execution of do while loop, and it will print this statement. Then it will check this condition, and in this condition there is a function which is digit, and then the controller will transfer from here to here and will execute this block. Okay, so whenever then I will provide any kind of value, that value will be stored at the address of a, and then it will return to the, and that value will return to the this function. Okay, if the condition is true, then it will again execute do while loop, otherwise stop execution. Okay, so this is the concept, and I hope you get the meaning. If you have any confusion, any problem related to video, so you can put on my channels. Okay, so thanks for watching and keep learning, and please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, now bye.